Yeah, hi Brad Canham and Eric Beal of Fever Inspect again here. The reason for this short video is we just want to show some of the capabilities of the systems to pick up measurements from people of various heights. So I'm going to sit down, and you think of this as someone in a wheelchair, just someone sitting, and this is about 4 feet, so it's picking me up 98.9, perfectly acceptable. I'm over 6 feet tall naturally, and I've got heels on, so it's going to be closer to, there we go, 6'2", 6'3". So anyhow, Eric, if you want to speak to this a little bit.
Yeah, so the flexibility of this is primarily granted to us by the fact that we've internalized the black bodies. You don't need a complicated setup, and because of our field of view, as long as you can still see the image sensor between the two black bodies, you can get an accurate read where it's got your face in the field of view. And this enables us to not have a side benefit of having an even smaller potential footprint by either angling it downwards so it can cover that range of heights, or mount it lower and angle it upwards and work the other way around. Now, either way is perfectly acceptable, and those are the benefits provided by the Fever Inspect's integrated black bodies.